Edo APC World executives have lifted the suspension of Adams Oshomole, and the Rivers APC have tendered a name to replace the now acting chairman Victor Giadom. Oshomole, who was suspended by the party in November following his protracted disagreement with Governor Godwin Obaseki. 17 out of the 27 members of the executives of the All Progressive Congress in Ward 10 Isako West local government area of Edo State have lifted a suspension on Adams Oshomole. Imwakeme Sule, the secretary of the ward, who disclosed this to journalists in Abuja on Saturday. Remember, Oshomole was suspended by the party in November following accusation of anti-party activities and his protracted disagreement with Governor Godwin Obaseki. It was on this basis that a high court in Abuja, in the Federal Capital Territory, ordered the suspension as the party's national chairman in March. Following that, the leadership of the All Progressive Congress APC in Rivers State have also recommended that former Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Mr. Wogu Booms to fill the vacant post of the Deputy National Secretary of the party that have been zoned to the state. He is to replace the now acting national chairman Honorable Victor Giadom, who resigned his position in 2018 to contest the 2019 governorship election as a running mate. The national vice chairman, South, Honorable Hilad Etta, disclosed this to newsmen in Abuja on Saturday at the party national secretariat in Abuja. That is the news coming from Abuja. And I will say, this is a big problem for APC. And as I'm telling you right now, we are yet to see the end of the APC crisis, because the two parties or the factions battling, I will call this the battle for the soul or the battle for the survivor of APC. Recall the earlier news that talk about the suspension of Adams Oshomole. I will say that this is a wound as in medicine after death, because this is coming after Oshomole have been suspended, starting from the High Court. The ward did not do anything, and now the Appeal Court have upheld that suspension. And as it stands right now, nobody is sure if Oshomole is coming back as the chairman of that party, because the obstacle or the challenge against Oshomole is so deep and is so big, because the people have already accusing fingers on Adams Oshomole and pointing holes in his leadership, which have caused the party, Rivers State, Zamfara State, Bayelsa State, and now has caused them Edo State, because after the decision of the screening panel that disqualified the governor of Edo State, Godwin Obaseki, of re-election, and Obaseki now following up to that have deflected to the PDP, which have made APC to lose that state woefully even before the election proper. And right now, so many people are against Adams Oshomole, even the presidency, that have not really spoken anything in favor of Adams Oshomole. Rather, they have been making noise and making some comments about derogative comment about the leadership of Adams Oshomole. Just as the president reacted to the disqualification and suspension of the Adams Oshomole, they said that Buhari have been trying for the past 2 years to broker peace between Adams Oshomole and Godwin Obaseki, to no avail. And now see what the thing have landed the party, because as it stands right now, following the suspension of Adams Oshomole, the party went and appointed Abiola Ajimobi as its acting national chairman, as if they don't know that Ajimobi is in coma as I'm speaking with you right now. And since the appointment of Ajimobi have not been able to assume that position. And Victor Etta, Hillard Etta, the South vice chairman of the party, have been acting in place and have been giving directive on how the party is being run. And Victor Giadom, on his own part, have gone ahead to bring out the ex parte injunction that he obtained for the High Court when Adams Oshomole was suspended, making him the acting chairman of the party in place of Adams Oshomole. And ever since the suspension of Adams Oshomole, the position of there have been a running, as in challenge and contention for the who will replace him as the acting national chairman, pending the meeting of the neck of the party. And as it stands now, everybody is confused. And today, lo and behold, today, the docile APC in Rivers State have come up with a name, Wogu Booms, as the replacement for Victor Giadom. And I will ask this question: why now? As in, where have they been ever since that they have never for once come forward to even say this man contested this position? He's not supposed to be here. Even recall when Adams Oshomole was earlier suspended in March, and when the Apicor put stay for execution to that suspension and allow him to work as the chairman of the party, when he came back, he hurriedly inaugurated Victor Giadom as the acting national, as the deputy national chairman, deputy national speaker of the party. The Rivers State APC never speak anything up till now. It is now that he has been declared the acting chairman of the party that these people are now coming to say no, that he's not supposed to be in this place, and they are now trying to bring replacement for him. Oh, Nigeria. And I will keep asking this question: how did APC get here? Because I tell you people, we have not seen the last of this. We are going to see more drama from this, and I will urge people to stay tuned, because as this drama keep unfolding, I will keep dishing it out to you as it's coming. So I will advise that you stay tuned to this channel. If you've not subscribed, hit on the red subscription button, so you will get the latest and the hottest gist coming from APC and the upcoming governorship election in Edo State. Thank you. You can also be part of this by sharing your thoughts and opinion with us in the comment section. Thank you.